Hi guys, welcome back to the Hindi tutorials. In the first video, we learned about some consonants of Hindi and today we are going to continue. Okay then, let's start. All these alphabets that you see right now on the screen are pronounced almost same as in English. The Y as in you, the R as in rat, but the R is more hard or rough like in Spanish or Arabic. The L as in love, the V as in van, the SH as in shout, the S as in seen, and the H as in horse. Okay? Now let me tell you how you will read the vowels. The single A is the sound, like in cut or but. A double A should be read as an sound, like in park or cart. A single I should be read as a short E sound, like in tin or sin, whereas if I write double E or an I with a bar above it, it would mean an elongated E sound, like in teen or seen. Okay? Similarly, if I write U, it would mean a short sound like in put, but a double O will mean a longer sound like shoot. A single E would mean an A sound, like in cliche, cafe, or fiance. The next is AI. This combination of letters is used for this phonetic symbol, which is pronounced in the words like cat, bat, and hat. The O is very simple. I don't think any explanation is needed for that. While the last sound is the O sound, which I will write AU instead. You can pronounce it like Paul in English, or like the Spanish speakers pronounce it like in Paula. So it is either O or OW. Apart from this, there are Z and F sounds, which are found only in Urdu words. And there is a R sound, which I will represent by an R with a dot below it. And at last is an N in parenthesis, which is not actually pronounced like a consonant, but is more like a nasal vowel that comes at the end of some words like मैं, हैं or हूँ. ठीक है? So, we have completed our own denotation system that we are going to use throughout the video lessons, and you can note down this chart for reference. Any questions, doubts, or suggestions related to the content are welcome. Please subscribe the channel to get an update every time I upload a new video. See you later guys, all the best.